Let's get real. There's no video game sessions active. The last one, I say this weekend we have a video game marathon. No, I lied. Yesterday, no video game session active. And right now, no video game sessions active. So this weekend we have no video game marathons. But I did hear something at my right perspective. We just started. It's just me and the music just keep on going. I say one more time. Because I just crazy. Look, there's 3 times. I know what to do because I'm the one just here because ha 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 ha. Why are they having a video session? No, I lied again. There's actually a video okay, so that means it is a video game marathon. This Sunday we'll have one step away from the video game marathon. Fucking asshole. Right, that's it. There's a video game marathon this Sunday. I said there's no video game marathon. You lied. It is a video game marathon. This thing will never ends. This thing will never end. Because there's a video game marathon and if will end at 12 a.m. So that means there's some classes tomorrow. Just give me an hour to break. I watch Mr. Beast. No, why? Anything that is commented, you son of a done here. If I'm posting any more anime girls, try to comment what is the worst rating that you have. No, that's not right. Tanggal ka na ha.